Hello everyone, here's Savita again. Welcome back to my channel. Today was a very busy day for me with all the preserving and harvesting and choir rehearsal. I was still able to do some garden maintenance. So if you'd like, please join me and enjoy the video, and I hope to see you again next time. I always lay an old bed sheet or piece of cloth when I cut the lavenders because it's always hard to pick all those little foliage and stems off the gravel. Okay, I still have one to trim here and then I'm done. I'm just doing this in between my preserving and harvesting, so at least I can do some garden maintenance. So I'm done trimming the lavenders in between the boxwood topiaries here, and they will get another trimming in springtime. There are still a few with one or two stalks with the blossoms, and I just left it anyway. Just for the bees. Oh, the neighbor's cat is here again. I think they were on vacation. I haven't seen her for probably 3 weeks. Hey kitty. I have to go closer just to show you. It's a very beautiful one. It is now September 10 and it is turning colder in the evenings now, and my tomatoes still has a lot of green tomatoes hanging to it. So I will be cutting off the tip, taking off the blossoms, and I will also be taking out most of the foliage now so that the plant can concentrate on the fruits itself, so they can still ripen and I can still harvest. So I cut off a lot of the foliage now and I'll put it in my compost. So most of the tomatoes are now exposed, freed from all the foliage covering them. It has a better chance to ripen